ring, somebody's calling. Clang, 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 there goes the bell. Zoom, 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 rev up your engines. Here comes Finley and all his friends. Finley, the fire engine. Hear the sound of his sirens. Finley, the fire engine. Here comes Finley, it's time to play. Ring, 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 let's play with Finley. Clang, 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 hear the bell ring. Zoom, 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 rev up your engines. Here comes Finley and all his friends. Finley, the fire engine. That's the sound of his sirens. Finley, the fire engine. Here comes Finley, it's time to play.
Just a little bit more, and we should have this fire under control. Uh-oh.
I got it, Captain Parker. There. Whew.
Well done there, Finley. Why don't you run along to the truck yard and get washed up? I'll finish up here. Make sure there are no burning embers.
Yes, sir. Hi, everybody. Hi.
Be right with you, Finley.
Hi there, Dex.
Yeah, whatever. It's too early to be so happy.
Hey, Finley, hold up. Before you go in for your wash, Gorby has a joke. I love jokes.
Okay, what has 4 wheels and flies?
I don't know. What has 4 wheels and flies?
A garbage truck! Huh? What's so funny? Garbage trucks can't fly.
But that's the joke. It's not flies, like a plane. It's flies like, well, flies.
Well, it's a dumb joke, and it's not very funny.
What's wrong with Dex?
Yeah, that joke should have made him laugh, not get angry.
Maybe Dex doesn't have a sense of humor.
Oh, yeah? I'll show him who doesn't have a sense of humor. I'll come up with a joke that I think is funny. Playing tag sounds like fun, Jesse, but I've got a lot of trash collecting to do today. Oh, he's got a lot of work to do, huh? That gives me an idea for a perfect joke to play on him. Hey, Gorbo, I thought you'd want to know. There's a big old mountain of garbage behind the Friendlyville Diner. It's stinking up the whole place. Really? I was just there this morning. Huh, guess they had a really big crowd for lunch. Thanks for the tip, Dex. Sure thing. Sucker. Huh? There's no mountain of garbage here. Even the dumpster's empty. What was Dex talking about? There's no garbage here at all. Gotcha! You're right, there wasn't any garbage. I just pulled a joke on you. Made you come all the way down here for nothing. Why would you do that, Dex? I don't get it. Huh, maybe that's because you don't have a sense of humor. Oh, wow, that was great! Gorbo totally fell for that joke. I gotta try pulling that on somebody else. And I know just the truck to trick. Hey, Isabel.
Oh, hi, Dex. What's up?
I just thought you'd like to know. There's a bunch of kids that want ice cream over by the playground.
The playground? Oh, that's clear across town. I better hurry. Thanks, Dex.
Don't mention it.
That's odd. This is the only playground in town, so it's gotta be the right place. But where are all the kids Dex was talking about? I hope they didn't go away upset.
Gotcha!
Oh, what do you mean, gotcha?
You fell for my joke. There weren't any kids here wanting ice cream, but I got you to drive all the way across town anyway.
That's not a joke, Dex. That's just mean. I'd never do something like that to you.
Maybe that's because you don't have a sense of humor. Yeah. Oh, what a laugh. Dex doesn't have a sense of humor. Oh, well, who doesn't have a sense of humor now? And that fire alarm box gives me an idea of who to trick next.
What is it, Mr. Bell?
No idea. A fire alarm has been triggered. Emergency on Main Street. No time to delay.
And Captain Parker's on the other side of town. Looks like it's up to me. Finley the fire engine, to the rescue!
Emergency, emergency, trucks are coming through. Speeding to the rescue, they know what to do.
The fire alarm is going off, but everything here seems normal. Hey, Finley, what's going on? Someone set off this fire alarm box, which tells Mr. Bell back at the firehouse that there's an emergency. Oh my, where is it? Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Have you seen a fire around here? Or some other kind of emergency? Thankfully, no, I haven't. Okay, thanks. Sure is weird.
Gotcha, Hosehead! It was me who set off the fire alarm.
Dex, why would you do something like that?
Just playing a little joke, and I got ya real good.
A joke? Your false alarm could have taken me or Captain Parker away from a real emergency.
Ha! You just don't have a sense of humor, Finley.
No, Dex. Some things are just not funny, like calling an emergency when there is none.
Yeah? Well, you should have seen the look on your face. Now that was funny. So Dex tricked both of you too?
Yep.
That's just awful.
You better watch out for Dex too, Jesse, especially since it's your job to help other trucks. Thanks for the warning. I'm definitely not gonna fall for Dex's tricks.
What a laugh! The look on Finley's face was priceless. Oh, I can see his face now. He was so ticked off. Now to figure out who to pick for my next trick. Huh? Oh, what happened? Help! Help! Jesse! Oh man, am I glad you came along.
Dex?
Yeah, now help me out of here.
Oh, no you don't. I heard all about your practical jokes, Dex, and I know you're just gonna yell gotcha after I help you.
No, I'm really stuck.
Sure you are. Just like there was really a mountain of garbage for Gorby, or hungry kids waiting for Isabel, or that emergency for Finley. Well, I'm not falling for it.
No, wait, don't go. No, she didn't believe me because she thinks I'm pulling a trick, like I did to all the other trucks. After all the jokes I pulled, nobody's gonna believe that I really need help. Maybe those jokes weren't so funny after all. Help!
Huh? That sounds like Dex.
Somebody! Oh, anybody help me!
Betcha it's just another one of his pranks.
I really need some help.
Well, I better check anyway, just in case he really does need help. Is that you, Dex?
Finley! Oh, help me! I've been stuck down here for hours.
This better not be another one of your false alarm jokes, Dex.
It's not! I promise! I'm really stuck down here. Oh, you just gotta help me. Please?
Okay. There!
Yes! I'm out! Oh, I'm free. Thanks, Finley. I didn't think any truck was gonna help me after all those fake false alarms I pulled.
It's a fire engine's job to help in an emergency, Dex, and this was a real emergency. Now let's go home. I hope you learned your lesson, Dex. Making up false alarms is no joke.
Yeah. And speaking of jokes... Hey, Miguel, what has 4 wheels and flies?
Let me think. I don't know, Dex. What has 4 wheels and flies?
A flying truck!
Are you sure you told that right, Dex?
Come on, Miguel. Get a sense of humor.